don't wanna talk, leave him alone. If you don't wanna talk, leave him alone. He's a self-made man and he did it on his own. Now some folks say there's a dangerous side. Some folks say you got a dangerous side. He's a self-made man and he knows about pride. So help me, baby, look what love can do. It scares me, baby, does it scare you too? Some folks say it was a woman he knew. Some folks say it was a woman he knew. He's a self-made man and he knows how to lose. So help me, baby, look what love can do. It scares me, baby, does it scare you too? Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. It's going to be a guitar lesson, a rhythm guitar lesson for a self-made man. It's off Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers' Let Me Up, I've Had Enough album. Probably my favorite track on the album. I just love this one. It's a great one for beginners because it adds a little bit more than just basic chords. There's a little more to this, some bar chords, some little riffing there with your pinky you can do. So I definitely recommend this to the beginner guitarist to kind of stretch a little bit on this one. For anybody above that, it's going to be a pretty straightforward song. So let's get into it. A Self-Made Man by Tom Petty. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using any capo today. We're going to start with a D minor. Here's the chords. We'll just start the introduction in D minor. So we have this little riff in the D minor. And sometimes you hear maybe a D major played during the riff. There's multiple guitars, I think, but I'm going to keep it in D minor. You're really playing more the bass, the 5, 4, 3 strings than the full chord here, but we'll call it a D minor. And then you're going to use your pinky on a D minor, and you're just going to play that little riff on the 4th string on the D string at the 3rd fret, then open, and then on the A string, the 5th string at the 3rd fret back, and then open 4th string, right? So. And then if you play it with the D minor. So I just practice that a little bit. Again, for a beginner, this might be a little tricky with your pinky, but it's pretty straightforward. Just practice it. Doesn't matter exactly what strings you hit. I'm going to keep 5, 4, 3. So you can do a little fuller strum if you want. Now let's get into the verse. So it's that D minor. If you don't want to talk, I'm going to go to a C, back to D minor with that riff. Then we're going to go to an A minor, to an F. You can play that barred or open, whatever you want. To a C, back to the D minor. Now you do the riff twice. Back to the A minor, F, C, back to the D minor twice. Next verse is all the same. I'll do it one more time. D minor, to a C, back to D minor. A minor, F, C, D minor twice on the riff. Back to A minor, F, C, D minor twice again. Now, Help Me Baby, the only other part of the song, I'm going to go to a B flat. So I always play that barred at the 1st fret. You can play a barred at the 6th fret. I guess you could play an open B flat, but B flat. So again, for beginners, tough chord, but it's a good one to know. So we're going to try a B flat to an F to a C, and it just repeats that. So what love can do. So it's B flat, F, you could play that open, you could play a bar, whatever you want, to a C. So you do it 3 times. B flat, F, C, B flat, F, C. One more time. B flat, F, C. Then you're going to go to an A minor, to an F, A minor, to an F, and then you go back to that D minor riff. And that's it, folks. I'm not going to keep any longer. That is A Self-Made Man by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. It's a rhythm guitar lesson, really an arrangement for a single acoustic guitar. You can play along to the record with those chords. Have fun with this one. Again, if you're a beginner, stretch yourself, use your pinky a little bit, try some bar chords if you don't usually play them, and have fun with this one. It's a great song. So hopefully I'll see you next Saturday night with another great Tom Petty song. Again, I'm Judge Timbers. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you all soon. Take care.